Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks for watching our video today. If you love skin peels, if you love eardrum peels, do not go anywhere. This is the video for you. We have this patient coming through and they have a massive skin plug in their ear. You'll see what I mean in a second. This is a tough old plug, this one. So we're going straight in here with a Jobson horn and we start to press this down. There you go, you'll really start to see this coming forward. You can see it folding down. This is tough old stuff. It almost goes like leather, this skin plug. But you can see it's pulling this down now. We're just gonna try and hold on to this as best we can, but I can see the Jobson horn is just gonna flick off there. You can see just how tough that skin plug was. So we're just bringing this down the canal. There we go, out that comes. Right the way out. That is a huge skin plug. That has come away really well. So basically what's happened with this particular patient is the surface layer of the skin in the ear canal keeps coming away and folding in and hardening up, and that's what's formed this big old plug in there. Stay tuned because we've got to peel the eardrum as well. Let's take a look behind that and you'll see what I mean. This is the layers. You can see them as they're detaching from the canal wall there. That's what's detaching and formed this bigger old plug in here of skin. But now we've got this layer that's going deeper into the canal and over the eardrum as well. Don't forget guys, if you do enjoy these videos, then you can always give this particular video a wrong channel. You can give it a thumbs up. That's TikTok. You can give it a thumbs up and that will let YouTube know that you're liking the video and that it'll push it forward to other people. If you really enjoyed the video, you could consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. So pop yourself down and hit that subscribe button for me. That'd be fantastic. So we're just getting this peel now, this last little bit coming away. We can see it's very, very deep, this section. It goes across the canal wall, up then over the eardrum itself. So we've got to be a little bit more cautious, especially when we get this peel going a little bit deeper. But look at that. Look how thick that plug is there. So I'm trying to bunch everything into the middle. So the reason I've opted to go in with the fine end here rather than the standard size Ulna tube is the clarinetting. Now somebody did ask in the comment section the other day about whether we as audiologists can hear the clarinetting. Yes, you can. It's a really shrill, loud whistle, which you know, you don't really want to be doing that in a patient's ear canal because it can be really uncomfortable for the patient. So we're just using the fine end, less chance of it vibrating in the end of the suction tube and causing that clarinetting effect. So what we're going to do now is just try and lift up. There we go. We can just see a little bit to the bottom left-hand corner there, a little bit of detachment there. Let's put a bit of olive oil in, which is going to help this skin along a little bit. Now we've bunched it together, I can safely go in with the standard size Ulna tube. Because I've folded it all in front of the suction tube, we can plant that suction tube directly on top of it, hold onto it, and then pull it from there without it clarinetting. There we go. Look at that detaching. Look at that coming away. You can actually physically see it peeling off the drum as we're bringing this out. Look at that coming away there, guys. Obviously the patient experiences a lot of dullness. It can be really muffled in their ear canal when this happens to them, but you can see that skin layer there underneath. Let's have a look behind there. I think we've got another little bit coming away. Yep, there it is. Let's pull that away as well. And it does go tough as old boots, this stuff. Patient was just chatting to me a little bit there, which is why the camera was moving. So we're just going to pull this last section away. There we go, out that comes. So that was actually attached to the first section we just took away there, but there's a little bit left in there. Now I can see we've got this layer that runs all the way along the roof there and down over the pars flaccida, the top portion of the eardrum there, just above where the tip of the hammer bone there is just pushing through. So we're just going to tidy this outside edge. There we are. You can actually see that layer in a bit more detail now. So fine end back on. Let's start pulling this down. Let's start peeling this. Difficult one to do because you can't get square onto it yet. There's not enough detached from the canal wall. So we're just going to start pulling this down. So we've got a flatter surface area just to get that good suction grip onto there. There we go. Look at that coming down. That is a big piece. Now, can we clamp onto that with some forceps? And if we do, is it going to pull down off the top of the eardrum? Let's have a little look. Let's give this a bit of a pull. Gently does it here, guys. There we go. You can see just beyond, peel down off that top portion of the eardrum there. Out that comes. There we go. That sort of slightly floppy bit at the back end, that was the bit that was covering the top of the eardrum. So we can really see these long layers that have come away. Let's take a look. Lovely, much better there. So this is what it looked like to start with. And this is what it looks like afterwards. Don't forget, guys, we have got Waxvent coming up really soon. Day 1 to 25 of December, you're going to get your Waxvent calendar to open. So 3 centimeters, just over 1 inch's worth of skin coming out of that particular patient's ear canal. Yes, we're all getting excited here. Me and Taylor are getting into the Christmas mood. So we won't be long. You'll be seeing us both. I think we're going to, we may do, no, I'm not going to spoil it. You'll see us in December. All right then, guys, as always, take care of your ears, take care of yourselves, and take care of one another, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye everyone.